English Dialogue Studio.
Daily English conversations for learners.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Dialogue Studio. I'm Emma.
And I'm Daniel. We're so happy you're here with us again today.
Today's topic is a traveler's best friend.
Yes, today we're talking about maps.
Whether paper or digital, maps help us find our way.
They turn unfamiliar places into places we can navigate.
Questions like,
Can you show me on the map?
where are we right now?
How do I get to the museum from here?
Is there a map of the city?
After today, you'll be able to use and talk about maps with confidence.
Let's start with the basics.
Types of maps.
City map shows streets, landmarks, and neighborhoods.
Tourist map highlights attractions and points of interest.
Road map for driving shows highways and roads.
Metro map shows subway or train lines.
Hiking map shows trails and elevation.
Digital map on your phone like Google Maps.
Repeat. City map shows streets, landmarks, and neighborhoods. Tourist map highlights attractions and points of interest. Road map for driving shows highways and roads. Metro map shows subway or train lines. Hiking map shows trails and elevation. Digital map on your phone like Google Maps.
Now let's have a conversation about maps.
Daniel, do you prefer paper maps or digital maps?
Digital for sure. It's so convenient to have GPS and real-time updates.
Same, but I always keep a paper map as backup. Phones can die.
That's smart. I've been lost with a dead phone before. Not fun.
Exactly. Paper maps never run out of battery.
Great start.
Now, let's talk about asking for a map.
First, you need to get a map.
Excuse me, do you have a map of the city?
Where can I get a tourist map?
Is there a map of the metro system?
Do you have a map in English?
Are these maps free?
Repeat. Excuse me, do you have a map of the city? Where can I get a tourist map?
Is there a map of the metro system?
Do you have a map in English?
Are these maps free?
You might get answers like,
Yes, here's a free city map.
you can get maps at the Tourist Information Center.
There's a metro map at every station.
We have maps in several languages.
Repeat. Yes, here's a free city map. You can get maps at the Tourist Information Center. There's a metro map at every station. We have maps in several languages.
Let's practice asking for a map. Excuse me, do you have a map of the city?
Yes, here you go. It's free.
Great, thank you. Is there an English version?
That one is in English.
Simple.
Now, let's talk about using a map to find your location.
First, you need to know where you are.
Can you show me where we are on the map?
Where are we right now?
I'm a bit lost. Can you point to where we are?
Is this where we are?
Repeat. Can you show me where we are on the map? Where are we right now? I'm a bit lost. Can you point to where we are? Is this where we are?
Someone might help.
We're here, right at this intersection.
See the red dot? That's us.
You're here, near the park.
Let me show you. We're on Main Street.
Repeat. We're here, right at this intersection. See the red dot? That's us. You're here, near the park. Let me show you. We're on Main Street.
Let's practice finding your location. Excuse me, I'm a bit lost. Can you show me where we are on the map?
Sure. We're here, at this corner. See the cathedral? That's right behind you.
Oh, I see it now. Thank you.
Orienting yourself is the first step. Now, let's talk about asking for directions using a map.
Once you know where you are, you can ask how to get somewhere.
How do I get to the museum from here?
Can you show me the best route to the station?
Is this the right way to the beach?
What's the quickest way to get to the old town?
Can you trace the route on the map?
Repeat. How do I get to the museum from here? Can you show me the best route to the station? Is this the right way to the beach? What's the quickest way to get to the old town? Can you trace the route on the map?
Sure. You go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left here.
Follow this street until you see the park, then turn right.
It's easier to take the subway. See the station here?
The museum is about a 10-minute walk. Just follow this road.
Repeat. You go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left here. Follow this street until you see the park, then turn right. It's easier to take the subway. See the station here? The museum is about a 10-minute walk. Just follow this road.
Let's practice getting directions with a map. How do I get to the cathedral from here?
See this street? Go straight until you reach the square. The cathedral is right there.
So straight, then the square. Got it. Thanks.
Clear directions. Now let's talk about digital maps on your phone.
Most people use Google Maps or similar apps.
Let me check Google Maps.
I'll put the destination in my phone.
The GPS says turn left in 200 meters.
I downloaded offline maps in case I lose signal.
This app shows real-time traffic.
Repeat. Let me check Google Maps. I'll put the destination in my phone. The GPS says turn left in 200 meters. I downloaded offline maps in case I lose signal. This app shows real-time traffic.
You can ask,
Do you have GPS on your phone?
can you share your location with me?
Does this map show public transport?
Is there a good map app for this city?
Repeat. Do you have GPS on your phone? Can you share your location with me? Does this map show public transport? Is there a good map app for this city?
Let's practice using digital maps.
I'm not sure where the restaurant is. Let me check my phone.
Good idea. I'll do the same.
It says it's a 5-minute walk from here, this way.
Technology makes it easy. Now, let's talk about reading map symbols.
Maps use symbols to show information.
A blue line often means a river or coast.
A green area is usually a park or forest.
A dotted line might be a hiking trail.
A star often marks a tourist attraction.
An eye in a circle means tourist information.
A train icon shows the train station. Repeat. A blue line often means a river or coast. A green area is usually a park or forest. A dotted line might be a hiking trail. A star often marks a tourist attraction. An eye in a circle means tourist information. A train icon shows the train station.
You can ask,
What does this symbol mean?
what does this symbol mean?
Is this a walking trail?
Is this a walking trail?
Where's the nearest subway station on the map?
What are these green areas?
Repeat. What does this symbol mean? Is this a walking trail? Where's the nearest subway station on the map? What are these green areas?
Let's practice reading map symbols.
What does this blue line mean?
That's the river. See, it goes through the whole city.
Oh, I see it now. And these green areas are parks?
Exactly. Symbols are the language of maps. Now let's talk about scale and distance on maps.
Maps show distance, but not always accurately to the eye.
What's the scale of this map?
How far is it on the map?
In reality, how far is that?
Is it walking distance?
The map makes it look close, but it might be far.
Repeat. What's the scale of this map? How far is it on the map? In reality, how far is that? Is it walking distance? The map makes it look close, but it might be far. Someone might explain,
The scale is 1 to 10,000, so 1 centimeter on the map is 100 meters.
it's about 2 kilometers from here.
It looks close, but it's actually a 30-minute walk.
You might want to take a bus. It's a bit far. Repeat. The scale is 1 to 10,000, so 1 centimeter on the map is 100 meters. It's about 2 kilometers from here. It looks close, but it's actually a 30-minute walk. You might want to take a bus. It's a bit far.
Let's practice talking about distance.
Is the museum within walking distance?
Let me check the map. It's about 15 minutes on foot.
Perfect. We can walk.
Always check the scale. Now, let's talk about landmarks on maps.
Landmarks help you orient yourself.
See this church? If you find it, you're on the right track.
The museum is right next to the river.
Look for the big park on the map. We're just south of it.
The station is across from the post office.
The fountain in the main square is a good meeting point.
Repeat. See this church? If you find it, you're on the right track. The museum is right next to the river. Look for the big park on the map. The station is across from the post office. The fountain in the main square is a good meeting point.
Landmarks make maps easier to use. Let's practice using landmarks.
Where should we meet?
How about the fountain in the main square? It's easy to find.
Perfect. I'll see you there at noon.
Landmarks are great meeting points. Now, let's learn some important vocabulary for talking about maps. This time, we'll put each word in a sentence to help you remember.
Map. A drawing of an area. I need a map of the city.
GPS, Global Positioning System, digital navigation. My GPS will guide us there.
Navigation. Finding your way. Navigation is easy with this app.
Route, away from one place to another. What's the best route to the beach?
Direction. The way to go. We're going in the wrong direction.
Location, a place or position. Can you share your location?
Destination. Where you're going. Our destination is the museum.
Landmark, a recognizable feature. The Eiffel Tower is a famous landmark.
Scale. The ratio of distance on a map to real distance. The scale shows that 1 inch equals 1 mile.
Legend, the key explaining symbols. Check the legend to understand the symbols.
Symbol. A small picture representing something. A blue line is a symbol for a river.
Intersection, where two roads meet. Turn left at the next intersection.
Crossroads. Another word for intersection. There's a gas station at the crossroads.
Traffic, vehicles on the road. The map shows heavy traffic on this route.
Offline. Not connected to the internet. I downloaded offline maps for my trip.
Pin, a marker on a digital map. I dropped a pin at our meeting point.
Zoom in. To see more detail. Zoom in to see the smaller streets.
Zoom out, to see a larger area. Zoom out to see the whole city.
Satellite view. Map showing real images from above. Satellite view shows the actual buildings.
Great vocabulary. These words will help you talk about maps. Now let's fix some common mistakes.
Mistake number 1. Where is map?
Correct. Where is the map?
Mistake number 2. Show me in map.
Correct. Show me on the map.
Mistake number 3. How I go to museum.
Correct. How do I get to the museum?
Mistake number 4. We are lost.
Correct. We are lost. This is perfect. Or, I'm lost. Let's practice. Where is the map of the city? Can you show me on the map? How do I get to the train station? I think we're lost.
Perfect.
Now, here are some idioms about maps and navigation.
To put something on the map. To make a place famous. That festival put this small town on the map.
To be all over the map. To be disorganized or inconsistent. His ideas were all over the map.
To fall off the map. To become unknown or irrelevant. After that scandal, he fell off the map.
To be off the map. To be in a remote place. We stayed in a cabin off the map.
To have a mental map. To have a plan in your mind. I have a mental map of the city now.
Repeat. Put something on the map. All over the map. Fall off the map. Off the map. Mental map.
Before we finish, let's review.
We learned about different types of maps.
City maps, tourist maps, road maps, digital maps.
We learned how to ask for a map.
Do you have a map of the city?
We learned how to find our location.
Where are we on the map?
We learned how to get directions with the map.
How do I get to the museum?
We learned about digital maps.
GPS, offline maps, apps.
We learned about map symbols.
Blue lines for rivers, green for parks.
We learned about scale and distance.
How far things really are.
We learned about landmarks.
Easy things to spot and navigate by.
We learned important vocabulary with example sentences.
And we fixed common mistakes.
That's everything you need for talking about maps.
Here's your challenge for today.
Next time you're in a new place, practice using a map.
Find where you are, pick a destination, and figure out the route.
Say it out loud. We are here. The museum is here. We need to go straight and then turn left.
Practice until it feels natural.
Now, go to the comments.
Tell us about a time you got lost and how a map helped you.
What happened? Did you find your way? For example, I got lost in Rome, but a paper map helped me find my way back to the hotel.
Old school but effective.
Or, my phone died and I had to ask strangers for directions. Now I always carry a paper map.
Good lesson.
Share your map stories with us.
And if this episode helped you,
Please subscribe to English Dialogue Studio.
hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson.
We post new English conversations every day.
Next time, we'll talk about another everyday topic.
You'll have to come back to find out.
Until next time, keep practicing
Keep learning.
and keep speaking English.
Thanks for joining us at English Dialogue Studio.
Bye, everyone.
See you soon.